Hi, I'm Dr. Melanie Palm from Art of Skin MD in San Diego, California, and today we thought we'd give you like a 1 or 2 minute tutorial about where these hyaluronic acid products actually come from. So today I'm going to be talking about the Restylane suite of products, or they're referred to as NASHA, which just means non-animal stabilized hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is something we find in our own body, it's in our own skin, it's what lubricates our joints. And when the manufacturers are actually making these fillers, they actually start with a powder. So this is what hyaluronic acid looks like before it's hydrated. So what happens, we mix in a little bit of water and you make a solution. So you can see this is kind of gelatinous a little bit, sort of almost like thick molasses. The problem is if you actually injected this, it would be broken down really quickly because there's no bonds that sort of prevent the body from within minutes to hours breaking it down. So in the process of actually manufacturing Restylane, these bonds are put in place, and what results is a cool little cube, which you can see here. So how do we get the different sizes of Restylane? There's now 3 products. There's Restylane Lift, which used to be called Perlane, the good old Restylane, which has been around since 2003, and then Silk, which is the tiniest particle. So Lift is the biggest particle, Restylane sort of the medium-sized one, and then Silk is the smallest. And how these are made is they actually take this block and run it through a little fine screen, almost like a sieve, and it cuts these particles to the size. So if you look at a Restylane Lift particle, it's actually a little thick. You can sort of see the grainy particles. And if you go to the extreme other end, so the Silk, which is the tiniest particle, it feels almost silky smooth. And so you can imagine with these different products, they should be used in different ways. We use Lift in areas where we need lots of bulk and good building. So I use it when I'm restructuring bony areas or if I'm trying to build cheeks appropriately, not overdoing it. Restylane is great for sort of that middle of the road. So great for lips, it's great for areas such as the marionette lines, for providing support underneath the nose. And then Silk is great for smoothing lips, and I use it off-label in areas such as the forehead to be able to provide some structure and filling in etched in little lines like around the mouth. So if you have any additional questions, we'd be happy to help. Contact us at Art of Skin MD, or you can call us at 858-792-7546.